Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time trading on MetaTrader 4, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through placing your first trade in today's video. When you open your MetaTrader 4, up you see an interface like this. The first column is the currency pairs, which consists of the base currency and the counter currency. The second column is the bid, which is the price. You can sell 1 unit of the base currency, and the last column is the ask, which is the price you can buy 1 unit of the base currency. In other words, 1 unit of the base currency is equivalent to this value of the counter currency when you sell, and 1 unit of the base currency is equivalent to this value of the counter currency when you want to buy. So let me use Euro USD for instance. If I want to sell 1 euro is worth $1.05255 and 1 euro can be bought at 1.0527 euro. Then the next question is, how do you measure these changes? It is measured in pips. A pip is a unit of measurements that expresses the change in the value between two currencies. A unit pip is the 4th decimal place. The 5th decimal place is called the pipettes. The pipette is 1/10 of a pip for JP pairs, where you have 3 decimal places. The unit pip is on the 2nd decimal place. Why they thought that's my place is the pipette in Euro USD, where you have 1.05255. The unit pip is 5 pips, while the pipette is 0.5 pips, which is 5/10. The next thing you're going to do is to know what your spread is. Your spread is simply the difference between the ask and the bid, and the spread is very important because it is the cost of your transaction. So you must always ensure that your spreads are not high. So in this Euro USD, the spread is 1.6. Finally, you need to understand the p-value. 0.01 contrast size is equivalent to 1000 worth of contract, and a peep move is approximately 10 cents. 0.1 loss size is equivalent to $10,000 worth of contracts, and a peep move in this contrast size is approximately $1. One standard lot is equivalent to $100,000 worth of contract, and a peep move in this contrast size is approximately $10. So now you've understood how to calculate your peep and your spread. The next thing you need to do is just to open one of your currency pairs and analyze the charts to place your trade. After analyzing your chart, you click on new order. You can now choose the lot size you want to trade. Our spread is about 1.6. So if I just buy or sell instantly, I'll be seeing about $1.60. So let's try that. You can see exactly. I'm having $1.60. That is the cost of this transaction. I just placed the trade without putting my stop loss or take profit. So I can choose how much I want to risk and how much I want to make. I can choose to modify. So if I click on this, I can modify other. I don't want to lose more than $20. And I know that for me to lose $20, that this price needs to get to a 1.0503. If the market goes down by 20 pips, then I'll be losing $20. So I don't want to lose more than $20. So if I'm willing to lose $20, then I should be targeting to make $40. So $40 from my entry price is about 1.05636. So I can modify and it's done. You can always check your charts to see what is happening. You click on here. Charts, here is the trade. So if it gets below here, you lose out. Or if it comes up here, you gain $40. So you can go and sleep and enjoy yourself. The market will automatically close for you, either with the profits or with the loss. So that is how you can place your first trade. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching and check out my other videos